right, here's another one, y'all. This is another tire change for you. This is a 2021 Grand Cherokee. Flat tire on the back. Let's go, let's get it. Spare tire right here. You just move all this stuff right here. Boom, boom. Sorry, I'm shaking, holding this phone, trying to get the stuff out. Oh yeah, y'all don't know what this hook is for? Take this hook and you can actually, you see this hook, it was hooked on here. Take it off. You can put it up there and look at that. You don't even have to hold it up. So if you're somebody changing a tire and you like to hold the stuff up, don't do it. Help yourself out and don't work so hard, my brother. Unscrew this, take the tire out. Let's go ahead and start on this. All right, so I've already loosened up the lugs. I'm about to get ready to jack it up so I can start on it. And let's go ahead and get started. Always loosen them up first before you lift it up. So I loosen mine. I'm about to jack it up and then take it off, put the spare on, drop it back on the ground, tighten up the lugs, and then I'm finished. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's another thing. You want to know where to jack it up? See that little arrow? It's right here at the bottom of the bumper. Look at that arrow. Look underneath. See that little metal strip? I'm about to put my jack right there. Put it up, line it up right. See that? Lined it up with that metal strip sticking out right under the arrow. Now, I'm using a floor jack. I don't know if you use a jack that come with your car. If you do, it's gonna be different, but it's easier to use my jack than it is the jack that comes with the car, of course. So, but that's where you put it. So let's go ahead and get it going. Boom, we done. I let it back down. I tightened up the lugs. Here's the flat tire. There's a piece of metal in this tire. Let me see. Look at that. That's some type of tool or something. But you just let this back down. Let that back down. You good to go. Throw this tire in the back. I'm gone. And y'all want to know how much I make? Some of y'all be asking. That was $35. May not sound like a lot to some of y'all, but when you're doing 2 or 3 of those in an hour, you do the math and add that up. And do that all day for 6 days a week and see how much you got. Let's say you add up, I don't know, maybe 8 to 10 or 12 calls. Let's say add up 10 calls times 35, 6 days. So multiply 35 times 10. Take that and multiply it by 6 days, or even do 7 days, and then figure out how much that is, and that's how much I'm getting a week. Get at your boy, I'll let your boy. Here's another one for y'all. 2021 Grand Cherokee. Go get your money. Comment, share, subscribe, join the channel. I'm out of here.